So we are going to review the mascara, Firework mascara ng Maybelline. We're gonna try this Firework mascara. Okay, the wand is like this. Magpapaputok ba tong mascarang to ng Maybelline? I know Maybelline has one of the best mascaras in the world. Best mascaras of at least one makeup brand, and look at it. Look at it! I have small lashes. And nag-give siya ng boom, 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 boom. Firework effect na malaki Perry with this formulation. With this formula of ang galing ang ganda ha. With this formula, yung one niya talaga questionable. Very firework siya. So I think this is bare. And then let's apply it with the Firework. Sorry in fairness, kahit nagkalat siya, it gives me the Firework effect with this mascara.